Pohnpei Supreme Court vacancy announcement. Opening date February 19, 2020, closing on April 17, 2020. Position Judicial Staff Attorney. Salary $1,333.80 biweekly plus COLA. Duration 2-year contract. Location at Pohnpei Supreme Court, Colonia Pohnpei FM 96941. Duties: review case pleadings and briefs, research applicable law, and provide analysis for the court. Attend evidentiary proceedings and assist the court in determining applicable law and judgment. Review cases on appeal and prepare draft opinions for use and consideration by the appellate panel. Work with the court administrator to ensure compliance with the Pohnpei Supreme Court Manual of Administration, Public Service System regulations when applicable, and financial management regulations. Assist the Chief Justice with core administrative functions such as drafting correspondence, preparing general court orders, and composing internal memoranda. Provide legal assistance to the clerk of court, probation officer, court marshals, and court reporters. Provide legal assistance to the court of land tenure as needed. Coordinate with the Attorney General and outside legal counsel regarding civil actions brought against the Pohnpei Supreme Court or Court of Land Tenure. Liaise with local, state, national governments, non-governmental organizations, and private attorney regarding access to justice, victim, supervisor services, and the prevention of domestic violence, trafficking in persons, and human rights abuses. Work with the justice and key staff to improve court services and supervise work and activities of interns. Education and bar requirements: graduation from an APA accredited law school and a license to practice law, bar admission from the Federated States of Micronesia, a U.S. state or territory, the Marshall Islands, or Palau. Any person hired without an FSM bar admission will be strongly encouraged to sit and pass the March 2021 bar examination. Information on the FSM bar examination can be found at www.fsmsupremecourt.org, or graduation from the University of the South Pacific School of Law, a license to practice law, bar admission from the Federated States of Micronesia, and 5 years experience as a practicing attorney in the Federated States of Micronesia. Other requirements: ability to work independently and to prioritize among competing work assignments, excellent legal research and writing skills, and ability to proofread and draft English language documents. How to apply: submit resume, cover letter, address to Chief Justice Nelson A. Joseph, and writing sample in English, no more than 5 pages, to psclawclerk@gmail.com. The Pohnpei Supreme Court is an equal opportunity employer. Conservation Society of Pohnpei job opening. Position Deputy Director. Location Colonia Pohnpei. Deadline for applications March 31st, 2020. Salary $20,000 to $25,000 per annum. Essential functions: the CSP Deputy Director will provide administrative support to the Executive Director, working closely with the management staff and under the direct supervision of the Executive Director to ensure successful implementation of all CSP projects and efficient functioning of the CSP office. He or she will supervise all managers, staffs, volunteers, and interns, assisting them with development of annual work plans and budgets. He or she will be responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operational management of CSP programs. He or she will play a key role in fundraising for the 3 programs and lead CSP staff in project concept development, proposal writing, and budget tracking. He or she will assist the office manager with daily accounting and budget management, as well as development of financial reports. He or she will be a spokesperson for CSP as needed to support the Executive Director. Knowledge and skills: bachelor's degree, and 3 to 5 years experience in the functional field or equivalent, knowledge of conservation principles in terrestrial and/or marine areas, particularly as relevant to Pacific Islands, ability to set objectives, manage multiple priorities, and independently complete tasks within assigned time frames, ability to plan, administer, and record results of work team meetings and activities, ability to coordinate project information from a number of sources, to create reports and maintain good program records and files, and budget monitoring. Strong administrative skills, attention to details and numerical ability, working knowledge of Microsoft Office Suite, strong communication and writing ability in English, monitors fundraising progress and identifies funding needs, ability to communicate professionally with a wide variety of people of different cultures, to develop, negotiate, and/or implement functional programs, ability to build effective teams and inspire excellence in others, ability to work cooperatively often under pressure, to complete project work and achieve goals, solicit program support through clear written communications, including proposal writing and other written materials, work in partnership with other organizations in a collaborative capacity. To apply, submit the following: resume or CV, letter of interest, and 2 letters of recommendations to Conservation Society of Pohnpei, P.O. Box 2461, Colonia Pohnpei FM 96941, phone number 691-320-5409, fax number 691-320-5063, or email ujoseph925@gmail.com. Thank you.